Hey everyone, happy 2018, happy new year. It is about that time where we are focusing on our New Year's resolutions and our goals for the next 12 months. Fun fact that I just came across, over 50% of you will abandon your New Year's resolution by January 15th, which is not even 5% of the way through the year, leaving 95% of the year goalless. So this is a baffling statistic to me, and I really wanted to understand it. So I dove in, put some thought into it, and have identified really three reasons why I think that we don't achieve our goals. First and foremost, they're not front of mind. There's so much noise and so many distractions out there that take us away from our goals, such as, spend at least 8 hours a day at work. We come home, try to be emotionally available for our significant other, spouse, kids, etc. Try to eat healthy, try to go to the gym, got to catch our favorite TV show, have a social calendar to worry about. Of course, if our goals don't fall into those categories, it's going to be very easy to drop off and abandon them. Number two, our goals aren't big enough. I am so tired of hearing if we set the bar low, we'll never be disappointed. And that's great. You probably will never be disappointed. But on the other hand, you're never going to recognize real achievement, which is a really, really shitty way to live. Last reason, our goals don't have any substance or don't have any depth to them. If we don't dive in and identify why our goals are important to us at a core level, they're gonna fall off really, really quickly. We're just never going to invest ourselves into them wholly. So I've decided to put on a series of webinars throughout January and February, identifying why goals are important, what our lives will look like down the road without goals, how to set effective goals, and how to stick to them. So would love for you guys to join. Of course, I'll be posting more information as we announce the dates on social media. If you have any questions in the meantime, please feel free to shoot me an email, blakeybiggs@gmail.com, and I will respond to your questions. I hope to see you guys there.